So perhaps a very attentive viewer pointed out that I flipped the back plates, and it's 5'5" to the center here. 5'10" here. Not cool. How to lay out your roof. Another gloriously windy day. So your truss plant should give you a truss layout looks like that. This is a very easy roof. This SJ1 jack is 23 1/4. That's important. The another important number is, where is it? 4'2" 1/4 to this girder. Okay, same thing back here. Even though the dimension's not labeled, I can read JA01, which is attaching at 4'2" 1/4 to this girder. JA01, JA01, which means this truss and this truss, these jacks are the same. So 23 1/4. I'm tired. Fighting that poly, believe it or not, a windy day is exhausting. And that battle still not done. Okay, 23 1/4. Oh. Now this is 47 1/4. Oh, okay, and so on. Checking to make sure this plate goes pretty much to the end of the wall, which it does. 23 1/4. Remember that was 4'2" 1/4 to that girder? Yeah. Now I'm going to come back 2 feet. There's 2 jacks here, little jacks. So now that is where the girder is, and it's 2 feet from there to the next girder on the other side. We're going to move over a little bit. We're going to enjoy wrestling with the measuring tape. Oh, that's so fun. The list of things that wind is good for is pretty much non-existent. $23 1/4, $47 1/4, $71 1/4, $95 1/4, $119 1/4. Should be what? 25 1/2. C. Okay, back to the ladder. These little jacks in the corner here are always 23 1/4. Well, sorry, in this case, on this roof they are. Very typical. Now I'm going to mark 4'2" 1/4. Come back 2 feet. Now I'm going to take quality Oompa Loompa, otherwise known as a 2-inch nail. Drift it in there. There's not a chance I'm gonna walk any of these walls today. I always lay off off a ladder now anyways. 6 feet. I might be able to reach 10 feet here. Okay, that's this side. Coming back to here, I marked this girder at 4 foot 2 1/4. For some reason, I'm having a very strong desire to double check. Four foot 2 1/4, yep. Yep. 2 feet. 4 feet. Do I dare leave my tape here? Six. I think the wind's slowing down. 8. 10. That is inch and 2 inches in. 2 inches. Again. This mark is 2 inches in, so I'm going to mark 2 foot 2, 4 foot 2, 6 foot 2. See if this tape's going to hang around. Uh, 8 foot 2. So I'm going to bump into this plate. It is 15 3/4. We're going to go 15 3/4 and go 2 feet. That there. That would appear to be 1 2 3/4 over. 1 2 3/4 over. Okay, here's all my interiors. I'm gonna grab me another Oompa Loompa. Two. 4. 6. 8. Something's aloof. Oh no, 4 foot 2 1/4. Oh, we're an 1/8 out. Come on! Okay, gonna mark 23 1/4. We're gonna come 2 feet here. Now I got myself a plate in the way here, so we are going to hook onto there. We're going to go 23 1/4, 47 1/4, 71 1/4. Back to my ladder. Nails like that and like that make it very hard to slide your trusses. Two foot from that mark and 4 foot. Finding myself over to this corner. This is going to be 23 1/4, 4 foot 2 1/4, 2 foot 2 1/4. This is for sure an 1/8. 23 1/16. Yeah. 47 1/16. The only reason I'm doing that is because there's 3/16 here. Technically 23 1/4, 47 1/4. I'm just making up for the gap. Fun. .71 1/16. Again, there's a gap over there. Okay, that's the back wall. Two, 4, six, 8. We're going to stop at 10. Okay, that's the roof laid out. Thank you for watching. You all take care. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.